Has your Scratch program gotten so complicated you don't know what it's doing anymore? In this video, you will learn how to understand what your program is doing. Please like this video and subscribe to get more videos about coding, game programming, and Scratch. First, click Make a Block. Call it Log. Click Add an Input and Run without screen refresh. Click New List. Call it Global Log. Add the Insert block. This adds a new element at the beginning of the list when it runs. Add an if block. Add the block called length of global log. Add greater than. Make an expression that says length of global log greater than 5. Add delete 6 of global log. Now, when your log block runs, a new message gets added at position 1, pushing the oldest message off the bottom of the list. Replace thing with the pink number or text expression. Drag one of the log blocks into the code area and click it to test it. Right now it's hard to tell when message has happened. Add a timer expression to the code area. Add two join blocks. Drag them together to say join timer with a colon and with the pink number or text parameter. Drag that join into the insert block. Now when the log block is run, the messages will show the number of seconds since the green flag was clicked. If you want more than 5 messages, increase the if statement from 5 to whatever you want, and increase the number in the delete block to 1 more than that. Now, you can add this log block all over your code, and when you run your code, you will be able to see a history of what happened. By the way, instead of implementing all of this code, you can sometimes just use the say block. If that works for you, that's great, do that instead because it's much simpler. But other times, this console log can come in very handy. Finding problems in your code this way is a technique used by real programmers. For example, here's the console log in Chrome, a very popular web browser. Here's a console log from macOS. If you think you might be able to use this in one of your projects, add a comment on this video with the word yes. If this doesn't seem useful, type a comment with the word no. The rest of this video will show an example of how you might use the log block in your code. If you have any thoughts or want to show off your project using this log technique, leave a comment below. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video, and come back later for more videos about Scratch, programming, and games. Thank you for watching, and see you next time!